All right, what do you got going on, Sebastian?
Lots of vacuums.
Lots of vacuums.
And then we go. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 of them babies today?
Mm-hmm.
What are we gonna do with these guys today?
What's their names?
Oh, what is their names?
What's this one name? What's this one?
Is that the Test 4 S6?
What's this one?
Pink?
What's this one?
Mushu.
What is this?
D-Bot?
What is this?
Clean Tools.
What's this one?
We call that one Roborock.
What's this one?
Goofy.
What's this one?
Yeety.
What's this one?
Another Yeety.
What's this one?
Another Test 4 S6.
What's this one?
Call it Greeny.
What's this?
Yuvi.
What's this one?
Galongly. 13 of them.
Let's start them.
Let's start them. Is that what we're gonna do today?
I'm gonna be the owner, and then I'll be this. You gotta tell me what I say.
I gotta tell you what to say? What are you gonna say?
You.
You?
You.
You wanna say like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
All right, and we wanna start these up now? Are you gonna count down?
You. You.
I count down? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. What's wrong with that one?
I don't know. Section power.
Suction power?
Suction.
Get them all?
Huh?
All right. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video, guys.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.